Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing a 2013 bike check. That's what I'm running right now. Yep. Starting off with the grips. Got Vans Waffle grips, Eclat. Yeah, they're really good grips. They're quite stretchy, long lasting. They've lasted quite some time, about a few months really, like 6 months or something. Only got like a little run down here, that's it really. And you can stretch them as long as you want. Also got animal bar ends, plastic bar ends. Got a Fiend frame, Fiend handlebars. Just recently got them in 8.5 rise, 29-inch wide. They're really good. Not a lot of people in UK run Fiend. It's more, yeah, it's really popular in the US though. Got a WeThePeople stem. It's a WeThePeople Supreme stem. It says WeThePeople here, but yeah, my cam's quite shit. Odyssey top cap. Got the Odyssey dirt forks. Everyone complains that they're heavy, but I don't give a shit. They're like really good forks, heavy duty. So yeah. My front wheel got Primo hub laced to a Odyssey hazard rim with my cat's outside. With spokes. Like, I don't know what spokes they are, but they're really good spokes. Like, they haven't gone loose or anything. Like, they're really stiff. Got a Fiend peg. Just bought these recently with the Fiend bars as well. Front and back Fiend pegs are really good, really strong, light as well. It's got that anti-spin pin as well. So also on the other side got a Odyssey JPEG. They're all light as well. Yeah. Moving on to the seat, got a Fiend team seat with green writing. I wanted to get grey writing, but it was all sold out, so just bought this. Fuck it. I like this. I like the seats that are like quite straight. Don't really like the ones that curl in and then come out. I don't really like the ones. And make this straight seats make it look a bit more, your bike look more simpler. It's my preference really. So also got Primo seat post. Really light. Oh yeah, the seat's really light as well. Like, really guaranteeing Fiend for people in UK that you don't really run Fiend. So it's really good. Like, they're actually really good. Also got, well, my recent bolt and nut for my seat clamp. Integrated seat clamp, threaded. So my mate hooked me up with what's it called, a stainless steel bolt and nut. It's quite good. Hopefully it lasts. Oh yeah, sorry. Oh crap! I've got a Subrosa Pandora frame. Yep, in chrome, 21-inch top tube. Really nice. The only flaw I think about this frame is the dropouts at the back. They're quite big, so like when you're grinding, you kind of grind on the dropouts as well. If you can see it here, right here. Yeah. Got a United bottom bracket. What's it called? I snapped my other cranks, my stock cranks, KHE stock cranks. Sorry, my voice is a bit gay because I'm kind of ill. But yeah, they were red, but I sprayed. Honestly, I got These are stolen mob cranks. They're actually really good. They lasted for about a year now, and I haven't had any problems with them. They're quite cheap as well. I got them in red on eBay for £30. But obviously I sprayed it black. It's kind of like rubbing out now. Got Odyssey twisted pedals. Like these lasted me about 6 months. I snapped my other ones, but my other ones lasted for 6 months. So I just bought these in black, like new ones. So yeah, hopefully they last me. Also got my sprocket is a I think profile. That's it. Profile racing sprocket. Really light, like weighs nothing at all. It's super strong as well. And with a like KMC chain. Yeah. Used to have a black one, but it's gone a bit weird. Oh yeah, so my front tyre also is a Odyssey Aitken tyre. My back wheel is the hub is a Eclat hub, placed to a Eclat Beserk rim. Stock, not stock. I'm talking about. It's like complete wheel with a Eclat Pulse Hubguard. Yeah, for the matches the Eclat Pulse hub in it. So yeah, flip flop as well, so you can swap the drives around. Also a Fiend peg at the back, just recently bought. Yeah. I think that's it really. And back tyres are Odyssey P-Lyte. So yeah, that's my bike check. Quite nice. As you can see, I took off all the stickers. I don't really like stickers on my bike, so except for the Fiend, I like the Fiend one. Yeah. Please subscribe, comment. Yep.